Brad Williams, Excel Prime. How to install Excel's Analysis ToolPak. Here are the steps: file options, add-ins, Excel add-ins, Analysis ToolPak, data analysis, data analysis. This is the dialog box we're going to see in a second, and then this will be the outcome. We're going to go to File, we're going to go to Options, to Add-ins, and here you're going to have a list. What you're going to want to do is just hit Go. You're going to have a list here, Analysis ToolPak. Put a check mark there. Hit OK. That's all you have to do. Then, once you've done that, go to Data. Go over here to the far right. It says Data Analysis, just above Solver. And then you're going to get, see this dialog box here? This is the live dialog box here. And here are the different tools within the Analysis ToolPak. And we're going to cover each of these here shortly. Again, going to File, Options, and then you're going to have add-ins. If you want to get rid of this, you just go to back to Go, and then just unmark it, disable it, remove the check mark, and the Analysis ToolPak will be gone. And the same holds for any add-ins. If you want to remove the add-ins, you just remove the check mark. Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Thanks for your time.